In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Sheets templates on desktop. Open your favorite web browser on your computer and go to sheets.google.com. If you're not already signed in, you may be asked to log into your Google account. Once you're on the Google Sheets homepage, you'll see recent files along the center and some starter options. What we want is the template gallery, which sits at the top right of the page. Click it to expand a full collection of ready-made templates designed for common tasks. You can scroll through categories like personal, work, and project management, or, if you already know what you're looking for, use the search bar to find it quickly. Try typing something like budget or invoice to narrow your results. This is a great way to discover layouts that already include formulas, headers, and formatting, so you don't have to build everything from scratch. When you find a template you like, click it once. Google Sheets will open it as a brand new spreadsheet, leaving the original template intact. Think of it as your own copy that you can change freely without affecting the master version. With the template open, start customizing it by replacing the sample text and numbers with your own information. Move cell by cell and update only the parts that are meant to be edited. Many templates include built-in formulas, totals, summaries, or charts, so try not to overwrite those cells. If you're unsure, look for shaded areas or placeholder prompts that indicate where data should go. If something doesn't look right after an edit, use Undo to quickly reverse the change. You can also adjust formatting as needed, such as currency symbols, date formats, and number decimals, to match your region or preference. Rename worksheet tabs at the bottom if it helps you stay organized, and consider adding rows or columns only where the design allows, so you don't break references. As you work, your changes save automatically in Google Sheets, so there's no need to manually save every few minutes. To keep things tidy, click the title at the top left to give your file a clear name. When you're ready to share, click the Share button in the top right, choose the people you want to collaborate with, and set their access to Viewer, Commenter, or Editor. If you need an offline copy, use the File menu to download it in a format like Excel or PDF. That's it. Open the gallery, pick a template, customize it, and share. You now have a fast, organized way to build professional spreadsheets with minimal setup.